How to make Pinterest account public. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make your Pinterest account public step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Pinterest app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, what you can do is you can just tap on the profile icon, which can be seen in the top left side of the screen again. And now here in this section, you can simply tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings, you simply have to scroll down, and there you just have to tap on profile visibility. And here you'll see the option labeled as private profile. So here you simply have to turn it off, this option, to make your Pinterest account public. And that's it. That's how you can make your Pinterest account public. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.